All right, so I can't talk about using videos without having you go to some video sites. So uh, here we are. I wanted to show you some great video sites, and here is what I need you to do. This will be, I believe, the last workshop of the night, but there is another video to follow that is our wrap up that has very important information. So, workshop 4, this is going to be the use of videos as a tool for inquiry planning. And so, your job is going to be to look at the next slide. There is a list of different videos that I want you to go to. And by the way, these videos are very short. These are nothing that's extremely long, but it does give you a little bit of background information of what each of the websites has to offer. So you are to visit each of these. After you visit these, if you were to have to rank these from best to least favorite, and you may not even like completely dislike it, but if you had to prioritize these sites on a list, I need you to create that ranking in your digital science journal. And just for your top and your last, tell me why. Why would you pick um, your top choice? And what was it about the bottom one? You had to put something there, but why was that bottom one maybe not your first choice or chosen above the other ones, I guess we could say? So these are the different video sites. We have Sick Science, SciShow, Minute Physics, ASAP Science, WizKid Science, and Hoopla Kids Lab. Again, watch each of these. Only after watching them, put them in order from um, favorite to maybe one you weren't so thrilled about.